Now let's review all the things that we have learned so far. So first thing is holding right click and going WSAD. We can move around the scene by clicking on an object. We can click F to center on the object, and we can hold Alt left click to kind of pan around, middle click to pan left to right, and right click to zoom in and out while holding Alt. With the viewports, we can go into the top view and move there by holding right click or zooming in and out by scrolling a mouse wheel. We can also have multiple layouts, multiple viewports by changing layouts. Maybe have 3 or 4 or 2 viewports, and we can and we can customize each one of them. Let's go back. And we can go to perspective mode. Next thing is that we can rescale or move around our assets. Now we kind of offsetted our content browser, and if we want to reset everything, we can go to Window, Load Layout, Default Editor Layout. We can also save our layouts if we like how layout is right now. We can also export it to another project. We can also dock or undock our animation editor, so we can just put it wherever we want. We can make it a separate window and then move it onto the maybe other monitor or dock it next to our level. We can create new level by clicking File, New Level, or we can save our scene by going File and Save Current. And we can also hide icons in our scene by clicking G or by going into viewport options and finding the game view.